ये मेरे स्कूल का सफर, होमवर्क की अब होना खबर। मार खाकर जहां बड़े हुए वहीं से जिंदगी में खड़े हुए। याद आते हैं वे दिन जहां बिताए इतने साल थे। थोड़ा सा लेट हो जाने पे लग जाते हमारे हाल थे। टीचर्स की कोई कंप्लेन घर तक देती हमको पेन। हैंड राइटिंग के लिए जो बोला जाता 1000 बार, सुधरने की कोशिश कभी ना की हमने यार। एग्जाम्स होने थे जरूरी, पर कॉपी करने की भी थी मजबूरी। आज भी याद करूं मैं वो कल की बातें, कितनी खूबसूरत थी हमारी मुलाकातें। सलामत रहे ये यादों का पिटारा, अब बस मुझसे और ना बोला जा रहा। The sun that rises has to set. The flowers that bloom have to bloom. Likewise, the program that began has to end. The day reminds me of Robert Frost, who said, "The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep." Good afternoon to you all. Dear respected chairman, sir, beloved teachers, dear friends and juniors, and also a very good morning to our future BJPs, MLAs, scientists, doctors, teachers, and some corrupted officers. And yeah, also not forgetting some of our future taxi and bus conductors. Hopefully that will not happen. Yes, a very good afternoon to you all present here. I'm Lubada from class 8. I have been given the responsibility to say last words on behalf of our batch to our school. First of all, before I start, I would like to thank God for the beautiful life, the beautiful day that He has given to us, without which this won't be possible. And we also thank Allah for Global Vision. Today, as our farewell party is going on, and it's going to be the last day of us in this school, we are all overwhelmed with your love and respect. It's like a journey to get admission to the school as a young kid who doesn't even know how to hold a pencil and left with when my height is almost equal to my teacher's. Today, I'm standing in front of you on behalf of my class to deliver the last speech. Right now, our classmates are feeling nostalgic because we all are going to Prague from today. It's our last day in the school. After that, we will jump into the well of competition to get the best school to make our future bright. School, a place where all have to come. This school has been my second home, and it's really hard to talk about the journey of 7 years full of memories in a short speech. So, life here in Global Vision. Where do I begin? Should I start from the chairman, sir, our dear beloved teachers, the beautiful classroom, or should I start from the beautiful friends? I can still remember the first day I came here. It was during winters at Big Bang. When I first came here, I was a short little girl who, when I looked around, there were all big guys around. Actually, they were the ones who came for English speaking course. But then I saw some of my friends, the innocent ones who were mostly like me. I was like, oh yeah, I'm not alone. Yes, it was strange for us at first. New strange people, new place, strange faces, strange teachers. But as time went out, we became more familiar. Strange faces became friends. We became brothers, sisters, and our class. We became a family. And first, I was studying in MTI for 3 years, till class UKG. And when my parents did my admission here, I was sad, like why they made me leave that school. But after these 7 years of experience here in Global Vision, I am so glad that I got admitted here instead of any other school. I'm really glad and happy that I got admitted here. I'm sure that we all are glad that we came here. I was never so anxious, never so hesitant before as I am today. Words fail me. I wish the time stops and everything remains at its own place. Just for once. I wish we could turn back time. If only I could turn back time, I will spend time with my friends and enjoy the moments. Never before I felt this school, its ambience, its teachers, and my class fellows are so precious for me that I can't think of leaving them forever. My memories go back to 7 years when I entered the school as a nervous kid, apprehensive of this whole world. Innumerable teachers have played a crucial role in grooming my latent potential. The beautiful family we have here, beautiful teachers, always smiling, always ready to help us, never say no, always say yes. 7 years life here in Global Vision, we have, since the first year we have come forward, we have learned much. We have come from different walks of life, different families, different people. Coming here, we learn how to socialize, how to mingle with others, to accept another culture. Global Vision has helped us realize our best of potentials. Even this opportunity of standing here in front of you and speaking. All the extracurricular activities. Oh yeah, the celebration of special events, competitions, and other activities. It has helped us all. It has molded us and shaped us, and for that we thank you, Global Vision. And the memories we had here. Who would have thought 8 years back? Who would have thought the person sitting next to you will be your friend one day? Who would have thought that we will be here sitting like this, giving a farewell? The memories we have, good memories and bad memories. Bad memories, turn from them, forget it. And good memories, cherish them. Yeah, cherish them. It's said that there is no success without a loss. This is a strange world. In order to achieve something, we have to lose many things. Some lose their health, some lose their wealth, and some lose even their lives. We're also losing such a lovely, soothing, and loving company of our dear teachers, who are the constant source of spiritual inspiration, satisfaction, and encouragement for us. What we are today, all of the efforts of our worthy teachers, always ready to help, academics or otherwise. You are an integral part of me, and I thank you for being there when I needed you. The building of school means a lot to me, and I'm sure I can never forget it. It saddens me that now I realize I will never be coming back here again. The most wonderful time was passed in lunch breaks and wagon classes. How can I forget the playground and our classroom? How can I forget the morning assembly? Every day in my school life meant a new beginning for me to learn and evolve me from scratch. Today, I want to thank all my teachers sincerely and acknowledge that without them, I would have remained a raw person. They have refined me, and now I am ready to fly into my own wings to rise up high in the sky. I truly believe that school is a sacred place for every child. We feel lucky that we studied here in this school and developed ourselves. Teachers are just next to God and parents. And to get such to get such motivational and inspirational teachers, how will I pay back what I learned in the school? The only thing that I promise that I will always prove the confidence reposed in me by my teachers, and I promise to return the same values to the society in which I have learned from this school. The school time is surely the best period in the life of anyone. The golden era and best time span where a lot of memories are built and experiences are gained. And this golden period of my life came to a certain end on the day, which is the last day at my school. Today, when all of us are here, and it's the moment when we have to say goodbye to this school, our teachers, and to each other. It finally dawns upon me that what a big piece of life I'm leaving behind. It is such a moment of happiness. We'll move a step ahead in our journey. But the part of life which we spent here is unforgettable. During this tenure, we laughed, we cried, got happy and sad. My class fellow guys are some of the most amazing people I know, and I'm going to miss you all. I would like to thank all our teachers for their selfless dedication. Just because of you, we all are standing here and going to join our new school soon. You made us so strong that we can face any kind of situation. Our teachers play an important role in our life. They showed us the right path, especially mine, because earlier I was just an average student and always in the chart of average students. But my teachers know the hidden caliber in me, and thank you. If they took me in the right way direction, then no one is going to stop me. And seriously, they worked really hard on me, and because of it, I am the perfect of my class. The kind of support we got from our teachers in our lows and highs is commendable. They not only teach us, but also prepare us how to face the world we're going to now face. I would also like to thank the principal, sir, chairman, sir. Just because of you, we got a fantastic environment for study and always ready spot to teachers. You arrange it for us whatever we need in a short span of time. You are always ready to help any student anytime, and this shows your dedication towards the school and students. Thank you so much for that. I want to express sincere gratitude to all my teachers for making my life. And yes, we're gonna miss our life here in Global Vision. You know, the special events, the other normal days, it will be empty. Empty means empty, but empty. We're gonna miss those angry moments we have had with caretakers, nursing mothers, gatekeepers. Yes, please don't do that. They are doing their job. Their work is quite hectic. But I do also request those people to be more understanding in future. Thank you, dear principal sir, my dear teachers, for all the knowledge imparted on us. We are sorry and we apologize for the bad time we have incurred you, that we have disobeyed you. And I hope you will forgive us. And we truly are sorry. We are truly sorry. We'll forever stay indebted to you, Global Vision. Yes, time has flown by. I feel as if it was yesterday. And to all my friends who are going out, I wish you the best of luck. Always remember to place Allah before you. Always trust in His mercy, in His help. And guys, let me tell you, we are only one life. That is what we have. Don't mess this up. Don't mess your life up. Don't Don't let the thought, what will people think, bring you down. It has crushed many, many dreams, spoiled many lives. Always trust in His grace. Go ahead as we will be learning, as we will be leaving this school, the coming classes. Let us do well. Give our best. Create happiness wherever you go. And always remember to stay humble. Always stay humble. And let us do well in upcomings. Let's excel and bring up the name of Global Vision. And to my juniors, thank you so much for giving us such a lovely farewell, which will come in front of our eyes whenever we think about our last day. I'm gonna miss you all. Always stay happy, create happiness wherever you go. Do well. I'm sure from tomorrow onwards, whenever we recall our school days, then there will be a dull smile on our face. I want to say my last line: stay in touch, my dear ones. The present moments will pass, leaving the traces of beautiful memories behind. Life will go on, but the imprints of these bygone years will pass into the treasures of my life. Thank you.